10 Incredible Health Benefits of Eating Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutritious and versatile foods you can eat. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 science-backed health benefits of including eggs in your diet. Benefit number 1: excellent source of high-quality protein. Eggs contain all the essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. One large egg contains 6 grams of high-quality protein. Benefit number 2: rich in vitamins and minerals. Eggs are packed with important micronutrients like vitamin A, vitamin B12, selenium, and choline. These nutrients support immune function, red blood cell production, and brain health. Benefit number 3: promote eye health. Eggs contain the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect against macular degeneration and cataracts. Benefit number 4: support brain function. Choline in eggs is crucial for neurological development and function. Adequate choline intake may also reduce the risk of dementia. Benefit number 5: boost metabolism. The high-quality protein in eggs helps keep you feeling full and can support fat burning. Eggs also contain B vitamins that play a role in energy metabolism. Benefit number 6: reduce risk of heart disease. Despite containing dietary cholesterol, eggs do not appear to significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. The nutrients in eggs may even help improve cholesterol profile and reduce heart disease risk. Benefit number 7: aid weight management. The protein and satiety-promoting properties of eggs may help with appetite control and prevent overeating. Numerous studies show that eating eggs for breakfast can lead to greater weight loss compared to other breakfasts. Benefit number 8: support healthy pregnancy. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, which is crucial for fetal brain and nervous system development. They also provide high-quality protein and other important nutrients for prenatal health. Benefit number 9: strengthen bones. Eggs contain vitamin D, phosphorus, and other minerals that support strong, healthy bones. Eating eggs may help prevent osteoporosis and reduce fracture risk. Benefit number 10: boost immune function. The high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals in eggs all play a role in supporting a healthy immune system. Eating eggs may help your body better fight off infections and illnesses. In conclusion, always remember that eggs are an exceptionally nutritious food that provide a wide range of important health benefits. Incorporating eggs into your diet is a simple and delicious way to boost your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.